Okay, my name is Benga Adeboye, and I publish and do marketing communications. Worked across different sectors of the economy, public sector, private sector, self-employed, and until a few months ago, I was in public service in some political advisory capacity. And then towards the end of last year, began to disengage from public service and began to consider rather how to reposition my business. And about then, I thought, yes, revamp my business, my marketing communications and publishing business. And what I could think of was just go digital because it's the way things are now, and it's good to reposition and be at par with what's obtainable all over the world. And was in the process, I got to hear about DMSI, did a bit of background check on them, what they had to offer, and sought a few advices from people who should know. And I took the decision, and honestly, I think it's so far probably one of the best decisions I've taken to come to this institute. I would say that they've under-promised and over-delivered. Good content, good teaching style, very hands-on, very practical. In fact, in every class you pick up a money or income earning skill. And I would gladly recommend to anyone who's seeking a career or some sort of capacity in digital marketing, even in business development, you will learn quite a few things that will not only help you in your personal business, personal life, but in the services you may want to offer your clients and potential clients, prospective clients, which they also teach you how to get. I think DMSI is a fantastic institute, and I want to really ask that they keep up the good work and not drop the standards and keep getting better at what they do. The future is the part of the future. They're part of the future.